Hi, Jake's Girl here. We are going to install some handlebars for my Jeep. What? We got them from bubbasgarage.tv. You can find them on YouTube. They have their own website and you can also find them on Amazon. So we're going to install these and then I'll show you what it looks like in a bit when it's done. To the back. Ooh. This way, didn't I? And you're probably gonna have to adjust them a couple times till you get them right. Yeah, let's see. Okay, there you go. So now you can use them to get your big old booty up in the Jeep, just like that. And I'll show you guys the rear here in a second. Okay. All right guys, so to do the rear grab bars, we're going to use this Milwaukee M12 impact to undo these two bolts up here. Super easy. Alright, so now that you've got them taken out, we're going to, you thread them through the bolt there, and we're going to put it back in, and you've got to try to line it up carefully. There's one side, and I don't tighten it down all the way at first just to make sure I can get everything in okay. We'll do that side and we'll go back and do this side. Alright guys, so there it is, and it's super secure. And like I said, you can get these on bubbasgarage.tv. They are on Amazon, they have their own website, and they are on YouTube, so go check them out and you guys can get yourself some. And they also come with a really cool keychain that you can get as well. So we'll talk to you guys later. See ya!